Brother, you're a man, you know. You're a man, dog. Every day I'm wonder, oh no, keep up with your man attack, but I'm gonna expose, I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna do that. You're a man, dog. You're a man, bro. Regardless, don't talk the truth. You're a man. We are talking. You don't have nothing for me if you expose. Where you gonna come with? The people over your life I say talk about Crystal. I know you never mention the Crystal saga with the Guan pan, with the Guan pan Tik Tok, because I say you're the first ranker. You are the first ranker get exposed by Gifter and it viral. Them tell you you deny Maya everything. When I tell the people about that, you're not perfect, bro. You're not perfect. Explain the people about that. I'll today, you know, apologize to the Gifter. I'll today don't apologize to her, bro. I'll today you don't apologize to her, bro. I'll today don't apologize to the woman. And the woman do so much for you, chat. The woman did so much gift up on TikTok and all them something there. You're gonna say, and me start fuck up on the apartment when I go on for the other ranker. What do you mean by a Ableboss start fuck up on the apartment when I go on for the other ranker? Yo, you know perfect, you know. Me no come on TikTok and bring nothing to light. You have to remember that. Me no come on the app and bring nothing to light. No for una go on with fuckery, brother. Not because some people attack. What the hell you gonna tell me? So how much fuck you are going on the app before Louis come with some fuckery? What you mean? Whole heap of fuckery are going on there, but you mean me not stop nothing for no ranker? Me as a man, me not bring about expose on TikTok. Me not do them something there. But me so good at the expose thing. Me have rest that for a bit. But I last something me I finish off with. Me no know where to take up this bad man personality. Let me tell you something. Every day I talk about your brother a bad man, is a bad man, right? You say if me was a family, me that box you down. Me that box you down. You know why? Because if that was true, you can't come on TikTok and talk that because you be an informer. If me have family were bad, when me come on TikTok and I talk about it every day, who you are afraid, who you are scared, you're not scared nobody. You're not scared nobody. Every day you come talk with your brother a bad man, you are this, you are that, you're not scared nobody, brother. No, listen to me, remember so you have to help me the words, you know. Stop talking about scared, able not scared. Just easily leave to your man, you have to help me the word. At least you not understand. At least you not understand, brother. At least you not understand. At least you not understand. You understand me? I try to say, be a man, dog. For WhatsApp, me tell you, so go and go expose, you expose, and no, you can't expose, you have to talk this and talk that. Because you don't have nothing to expose, you have to talk about expose. Me not have no woman, when you sure, you sure, so me not have no woman, what a way you think you can control my life? You understand? Let me tell you what's up, people. When you don't come tell me about be a man, when you go tell him to be a man, every day you come talk about expose. And you say you're a thug. Like you want to come bring up some shit. What the hell you gonna tell me about expose? If you see me come for me, that's me I expose and show this and show that already. You cannot, you see you that every show is nobody can to trust you. And you can't do nothing at the streets, because anything you do, people remember say you love chat about expose, I hope you're perfect. Hope your blood clot perfect. I'm telling you what I go on. 2 years and odd ago. You understand? 2 years and odd. When you know Swagger, right? Swagger baby, my supporter. Two years and odd. You know, Swagger support me long time. I say long time. I say Swagger one of my longest blood class supporter over here. You understand? And one Swagger come Jamaica one time with her family, them, her sister and her family. You see me? I'm a day in the place and Swagger say, what go on? I'm a day in the place. Swagger say, what go on? We drink two juice and link up. You see me? I will link up at the rafting and thing for a couple of hours and we take picture and thing, and that was it. You see me? So anyways now you see who me that deal with them time there. Me not call a name, but who me that deal with them time there when Swagger post up the picture. Me talk about 2 years, you know. When Swagger post up the picture, them and put whatever song over it. You see me, my people them see it and a page me, cause she very blood clot jealous. The ex of me I deal with. Very jealous and a pressure me. So me link Swagger and me say Swagger, you know, so you are gonna feel away and sis. But my people my pressure me about them picture there, you know. And Swagger says nothing wrong with it. And I say no man, mama come first. You see me? So Swagger says she go delete them. You see me? So when me I watch Swagger page and I now see them a rascal delete. Swagger unavailable. So me link our family and say, yo, remind Swagger to do this now. And me even link him. Me link him to TJ and I say, yo, you have connection to Swagger, make Swagger delete the picture of them for me now. You understand? Me I try to say, because my people are pressure me. And Swagger delete the picture of them later on down the day. So when that did happen now, you have some people are bring around say me and the woman in her things, and me and the woman that are me and Swagger do in nothing. The lady is a married woman for much years. So what you gonna talk about expose with? Me, the lady is a married woman for much years, brother. And me are the only ranker supporter see and take picture with her, or meet up on ends and take picture with and all them something there. And you know say big woman thing. You know say when you know Span, you know say that's why when Span come Jamaica and me and Span meet up or have a drink, and you know say that's why Span tell me say yo me nah go take a picture with the able. Cause I hear say me and you in a things and me and you in a this and me and you in a that. And that's why enough people when them link up, them not really take a picture with you, you know, and them want, you know, because they two mix up. When the two mix up, remember that Span tell me already you out. You gonna hear say me and a Ray and me and a this and me and a that. And you is a man, worse is a man in a dog. So if you go, alright, pause. If you want to prove so bad that me and this lady are inner things, me and man and she are used to inner things, me and man and she are woman, all that concern you. All that concern you. You make it sound like some Batman allegation or some pussy allegation you have to come expose. All that concern you. So if you come and try to prove that people are going to bring me down for that, that makes sense. People are going to bring me down for that. 2 years ago, you want to come bring back in 2024 where some people that does it but whenever true. 2 years ago, you want to bring back in 2022, you want to bring in 2024 if you come talk about true. You're afraid down in a youth, especially a man in a dog. You is a man. So, oh, you gonna do that and oh, that gonna bring me down. Me a man, she a woman at the end of the day. Are you supposed to look shameful? I mean, I know how people even like a boots it like say it's something good. He must say all time out. Yo, me gonna expose, you know, so me gonna expose and Ryan supposed to be an ex. Yeah, man, dog. Act like a man, no brother. You say you're a thug, act like a thug. You is a man or no man can bring pan the ends. When no man can bring pan the ends. The way how you are going now pan the app. You is a man when no man can bring pan no ends. Can we take out phone and chook, snap, picture, snap, picture. You see me? Me send you a voice note, you play the voice note over your life like say I fuck with me a chat. Me send you one positive voice note in a one view. You take a phone and screen record the voice note like some girl. Like some mix up girl. Like some mix up girl just to come play upon live. That will show you how mix up and corrupt you is. No TJ me attack. You mixy. You're the type of man that no boy can bring pan no ends. Go pan the girls' night out. Go play girls' night. Go have some slumber party. Go have some slumber party and some blood clot girls' night out. Every day they pan this expose. Expose, fuck when I come talk about if me expose you're not gonna have no woman. You feel like me go silent? You can't silent me. Come and text up on WhatsApp about expose what you do. Boy, you're gonna silent. You can't show my relationship. You know about my relationship? Your favor. Every day I come talk about expose as a man, Baba J. Expose. Man a well want know where me woulda go and where me would usually go and when think me would did go fi come pan Tik Tok fi come talk about it. I feel you would. You so concerned about a next man hood where it maybe usually go. Are your hood? Are your kangaroo? Are your kangaroo? So you have hood information for expose. Oh, blood clot. Yo, me I tell you, yo, the brother is easy, I'm bumper clot. Me I tell you, so the brother is easy. Yo, the man is easy. Yo, but tell you, say, things what they call entertainment is not entertainment to me, no, sir. You understand? It's not entertainment for me. So you want to turn the expose boss on TikTok so you can clap views and get gifters. So people are happy. Because you see a mix up around Jamaica community. So you want to be the biggest mix up man and expose man. Cameraman. But shame to come out the road. You a celebrity, sir? Look how much time people bring me down for media. And anyway, me never go people love me more than you. But don't invite a party. Go ask Ramesh. I won't answer that question. Go ask Ramesh if Ableboss was invited at the party. Me take more picture of Swiss Sleep party than you take in your whole entire life. Me know 3 person that take picture with you in that party there. People way up here to see me at the party than you. My appearance mean way more than yours. Way more than yours. Don't do that. Chingo suck your mama and come off of my life. Way more than yours. Me even step up on the stage good. Me even walk through, me even come out of the car good. You know how long it take me to go up at the cabana? Picture to my pictureable. Don't do that, sir. Don't do that. From me know you on TikTok, you never trend yet. You par around trending people, but you never trend yet. You itch up on trending people, but you never trend yet. I him first, you know. I tell the people don't ramp with me down, you know. Cause what me never feel good. And people are call me and check up on me. You understand? Including Bling and other people. That's how Bling come live and I say, yo, I'm going to pray for your brother. And I say, go and go pray for me. And when I look on screen record, I see me in a 4 year come and talk about yai water depend me and this and that, and I see him. So such woman in England could have go to mental be like, yeah, be little down my thing. I hear the live I talk about you not trouble me. You chat too much. Go take crystal yai water off of you. Go take crystal eye water off of you. Yes, him say him no say that. That him say him no say. And the screen record is there. The 4-way you Ivani and what's it on the 4-way? I don't remember who I said it in the 4-way. I'ma see it. I say, why the youth are jump on? Why the youth are in this? Why the youth are talk about this? Who is Crystal? Listen me. Me I talk about something nearly 2 years ago or so. You understand? Because you know why I talk about it. This youth act like say, you know, me are the first person somebody come out when normally support me and say things about me. When him are the first person, him go through that already. Him go through that already when them him and my that hide them relationship. And that make them own them relationship. Cause the girl and come and expose them there, and all of the other woman they when I entertain, the gift entertain them and when I chat bad about them and one holy thing. Same conversation them circle the whole TikTok, but no found a new people, you know, they're not gonna know me are talking. The old people them where they on TikTok can the old people but on TikTok can know exactly what I'm talking about. So if you're a man like you will go through that, you're not supposed to behave like that because no, you not apologize to the woman you never see yet. You don't even know if a woman or a man. At least me know say Louise a woman because I see her on a video call multiple times. And them go up on vacation and hide. Yes. You remember come? Yes. At that time I go tell you. So anytime him start him live, you go up there and say, you want to hear about Crystal. You want to hear about Crystal and ask him if him apologize to her. When him start him live, go over there and tell him to talk about Crystal. That the people them want to hear about. Talk about it. So how you did that Able neck? Why you talk about Able? Yes, Crystal same you want car from him and all them so anyways, that they far down the line. I don't know how never find them screen record there. God go with him. You understand what me I try say? Come off of my name, bad man. Come off of my name, bro. And mind your own business. If you mind your own business, all news, exactly. So when him dip on my name and I talk this and talk that, I see him to the Louise, the man just the right truth and I inbox the moderator them and all them something they are ray. Relax yourself, dog. Calm down. Calm down, dog. Calm down. Cap and what something so wrong go do what you do, brother. Calm down, act like a man. A man no for dep on the up and talk about expose. And you act like you have some Batman thing or some suck pussy thing for expose. You're trying nearly 3 years ago you try to prove say me and one of my supporters them usually in a things. That is what you're trying to prove. For what? How would that benefit you? That I really want to expose. Look how much rank at the live. Look how much money I rank right now. So brawling say them wife this and them directly tell us them a fuck them. I hope you see let me tell about you. You see You don't understand what you do to yourself, you know. You set yourself so people are watch you. So you say, I hope you're loyal, you know. Can you say, any girl ever inbox? Any girl ever look a road? Them I remember say that you tell love chat about expose and love watch people. Hope you not look no girl and hope you not inbox a girl, you know. From crystal thing, you know. I hope, yeah, you learn from crystal still, so you can go road and do anything. I hope you change. Hope you change. No, but I love him pull up on me yard. What do you mean? Make him pull up. I hope you change. Hope you change. That's all me want to know. Hope you change. That's all. Don't look on the wood. Hope you not look nobody else. Cause Maya a good girl. Maya's a nice girl. Me like how Maya station reserve and everything or whatever. Hope you change. That's all me I say. That's all. Me love him pull up on me yard, man. What do you mean? You move like your Tik Tok Marcus Garvin and talk about this and talk. The boy better about shame for come on road. Shame or what? Because people accuse me say me a scammer or me a con artist. What you no accuse me of? I'm the first person in the world who hear do that. That means that every woman for shame. Every woman for my life for shame. Cause the amount of blood clot woman a can man. All the amount of blood clot man a can woman. All them not lock up. All them not shame. What they for shame about? I want for shame about because I'm a little sickness. That's natural. That is something my surgery so do. That is nothing to be ashamed about. That is nothing homophobic. Because when you hear Ableboss, a beer woman you hear my name called pan. Let's talk the truth. You ever hear my name called pan a man? Woman. All the way I talk, Louise a woman. When me confide in her about my sickness. That's all. A beer woman you hear my name called pan. When you see somebody come and accost me, them a woman on Tik Tok. The one and two you see come and accost me, and a woman them. One who come on Tik Tok accost me, no woman them. A woman them, you know. A woman them. So I don't know where you come talk about shame for. Because I'm not a common mango. Me not common. Me not common, sir. Me move where me want. Me not common. Not because you common there everywhere. All over there Ramesh party. Ramesh, me for there a party still. Me not gonna talk and say me not for there a party. Me for there a party. You understand? Me for there a party, but beyond my control, I could do a party. You know? You see me? Or whatever. Like, I'm telling you something. We don't have to be fear, you know. Panda up here, you know. You see me? You have ranker we fuck up. You have ranker fuck up. And you also have ranker fuck up and you have gifter fuck up. Listen to me. It's in some I'm telling you about the gifters. Gifters give you for various reasons. You have gifter will give you because you're talented, them love your streaming. Whatever you do on your live that's the reason why they support you. And let's be real, you have gifters that give people they fantasize, like people what them like and fantasize them. Nothing wrong with that. Me not say nothing wrong with that. A lie me I tell, nothing wrong with that. You can't tell a person what to do with their money. But it is true. I see some of them, and you see me? Some of them, yeah, them fantasize whether, you know, whether a woman or a man streamer. Woman or man streamer, and when some of them do what them do and invest, and them not get them way, them run come and ball and say scam. Some of these gifters know what them do and them get themselves caught up and them not get them way, them come and them ball. Nobody not talk about that. Yet again, you know, nothing wrong with it, you know. Nothing is wrong. You know who that reach the most? The man gifter them. I just shouldn't hear the man gifter them attack because them love throw pum pum partner. The man gifter them that reach the most. You know much man gifter over here throw for some blood clot woman. And I get what them want and feel some type of way. Not because if them come and ball, people are gonna laugh off of them. If the man them come over, get up and say ball, they must say, where the girl can you out, Ray, and laugh off of him. Not because you know man gifter come out and attack. Because them don't want nobody laugh off of them. But that is natural, feed them business that. When you come over here and bring down people from, I don't know how to do it. You understand me? I try to say, I don't know how to do it. Yeah. I don't know how to do it.